stop playing with him.
Jadavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Jadavinci here with a makeup tutorial. This is literally my mommy on the go everyday face. Like whenever I'm actually going out and I want to look halfway put together, this is what I do because I really don't have that much time. I do it in between, like when my baby is asleep, and you know she doesn't sleep for that long. So this is my go-to everyday makeup routine. In this video we're talking a bit about Power. If you're new to Power, you've never seen the show, go check it out. I've got a lot of Netflix shows. It's not even on Netflix, so what am I talking about? I was gonna start talking about Raising Dion, which is a great show. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. We can talk about that in our next Get Ready With Me. So if you're interested in this Get Ready With Me, then keep watching. Today is my dad's birthday and he has never had a birthday party, so we're gonna have like a little surprise gathering. So I was just like, we're gonna do our makeup. Hold on, I'm like never ready, but I was like, we're gonna do our makeup. You know, I'm excited, and yeah, it should be a really good day. I don't have much time. Like my makeup should have been done. Yeah, do you guys watch Power? Have any of you guys been watching like, are you guys up to date with Power? Because my husband and I, we weren't up to date, but we just binged watched it. And y'all, if you have not seen Power, y'all gotta go check it out. So I guess, you know what, that's what we're gonna talk about today. We're gonna talk about Power. If you guys have seen it, I want you guys to let us know in the comment sections your favorite character. My favorite character right now is probably Tommy, because Tommy is so ruthless. We are one, we are the same person. Oh, don't worry about my hair being like this. We're gonna fix it. I really don't have much time, so let me get to it. Yeah, I would say my favorite character has to be Tommy. I think he's like the realest on the show. Like you got what's his name, Ghost, aka I don't even remember what his real name is. I liked Keisha and Tommy together. I didn't like that Ghost little baby mama wife had to kill her off like that. But Keisha should have never ran for her gun like that. Like she could have just played it cool, but you know, they got to give us some little melodrama. Which I think is gonna happen this weekend. Personally, I think if Tommy finds out that it was Keisha, isn't it? I think her name is Keisha. No, it's not. The lady who died's name is Keisha. I don't know what, I don't forgot. But yeah, when Tommy finds out it was her, he is going to fuck some shit up. Proctor, what they did to Proctor, I don't know. I felt like he had it coming. I didn't really feel bad. I felt bad when he was talking on the phone to his daughter, you know. Like that was sad. That was sad. Proctor's wife or ex-wife, she was thirsty. That's funny. It's a really good show. Let's not talk about Tariq. Mr. Tariq, he has lost his, well no, actually I feel like, I don't know, like he's becoming an interesting character. Like at first I liked Tariq, and then I was like, no, fuck Tariq, and now I'm back to like, okay, Tariq, I like Tariq. Like he's starting to become a Tasha. That's her name, Tasha. Yeah, I'm not really feeling Tasha anymore. Like I felt her at first because I felt bad for her when Mr. St. Patrick saw his high school sweetheart, you know, because I'm married, so if anything like that ever happened, I could just like, you know, fuck some shit up. So I really felt bad for her, so I was actually liking her as a character. Yeah, recently I've just been off of her, like she's out. But yeah, Tariq, now he is, I don't know if you guys are caught up, but Tariq has officially become Kanan. If you don't know who Kanan is, Kanan was 50 Cent and Tariq was really, at first he was getting played by him, but then Kanan started to really like Tariq, you know? And that's a really good show. Like, if you haven't seen it, you need to go see it. Not even go see it, it's on Stars. I can give you my login. No, I can't. Yeah, you can watch it on F Movies. If you don't know what that is, that's like a free site where they have, it's illegal, but they have all the new movies. Silicone beauty sponge, I like it. I just don't like having to clean it because it's still dirty. Like it doesn't stay clean. Like I like the job it does, but it doesn't stay clean. I didn't realize how long brows have been taking me. Like recently my brows have been taking me ages to do. Let me do these brows real quick. I've been using my Rihanna matchstick. Y'all don't worry about my hair, I'm gonna fix it. But I've been using my Rihanna matchstick to do my brows. I don't know, it's been giving me like a nice natural feel. It's not as crisp. Hold on, we can't talk and do this. But it's not as crisp as the NARS. Like the NARS is really creamy, so you can really get like perfect lines. But this, I don't know, the color is a little better. Y'all, today is a really hot day, so we've definitely gotta set our face. It's like 80 something degrees today in LA. Y'all, I really think my dad is going to cry. He's always like, ain't nobody do this, I don't do that, I ain't never had a party. And if you guys have never seen my dad does my makeup, y'all gotta go see it because it's so funny. Contouring with the cream, we're not doing that. Contouring my nose, we're not doing that either. So what we are going to do is I'm going to contour with a powder, so it's kind of like subtle, but I'm not going to contour with the cream because it's really not necessary. It's not a necessity. Okay, so we're going to be setting our face with the Rihanna Fenty Beauty in the color Banana. So I'm just letting you know now so I don't have to go back and telling you. We're gonna save our bridge for last. And I low-key went in with a lot of concealer, which was, you know, so not necessary. I'm looking at my hair in the monitor and it's cracking me up, y'all. We really need to get in and under there. So just make sure everything has been hit. What I've been doing for dusting off the highlight, take whatever setting spray you like, your favorite setting spray. You're going to make sure your beauty blender's dry. I mean, well, it was wet, it was damp from, you know, the application, but we're going to spray our beauty blender with setting spray. I know, right? Are you guys ready for what we're about to do now? We're about to tap it into the skin. I know. My camera's about to overheat because my camera is whack. Tap it into the skin. Crazy, right? Now we let that dry. So I went in and powdered my whole face with my normal Cover FX powder. Now I'm going to begin sculpting my face with the Black Radiance True Complexion palette. Make sure I don't get it on my hair. So I just do it on the side. We'll blend it in a bit, but our blush is like a tan color, so it's alright. I'm gonna do this side. So with the blush, we're gonna use our e.l.f. Cosmetics blush, and this is the Blush Quad and Blush Palette Light. I love it. I like to use this one. So we're gonna go on with this one and a bit of this pink color, because why not? Smile a bit. Okay. We're gonna go on with this. This is from Trader Joe's. It's rose water. I like to use the Jurlique, but my mom put me on this. She was like, you're spending a lot of money on setting spray, and this is $6. So I've been using it. I've actually been enjoying it. We're gonna spray our whole face with this. And I spray a ton. Then just going with like something you can dry your face off with, and we're going to do our highlighter. Hustler Baby, because why not? It's a nice natural looking color. It's not too bam, like, but it's bam, you know. We just go in and add it. I add it in circular motions, bring it down to my cheek, bring it up there. So circular motion it like that. Smile, put it on the tips of my, like, you know, my, what is this called? My arch of my brow. Put it here, I put it on my chin, then the bridge of my nose, and then on the tip. So this is how I normally been wearing my makeup, like on an everyday basis. I would lock it in one more time. This time we're gonna go in with Jurlique because this is the more expensive one and this is my favorite one. So let's just give us a nice little misty spray. If you wanted to dress up the look, you put on some lashes and like a red lip. If you wanted to dull the look, you just put on mascara and some lip gloss. I'm about to go put on my mascara, my lip gloss, and I'll be right back. I use my Better Than Sex mascara and my Rihanna Fenty Beauty Blush Glam. This is my final look. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Let us know in the comment sections if you watch Power, who your favorite character is. I really love the show. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.